Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 14th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week and what we might expect this week. So a mixed finish to last week. The Dow finished lower by 37 points on Friday, while the S&P was down less than 2 points, and the Nasdaq was actually higher by 4.5. Now, if we continue on here and look, the Russell was slightly higher. Gold, however, was down almost 7 points after moving much higher during the session, but pulling back near the end. And crude was up a point here, made another strong move. Now, certainly momentum is completely against it here on the daily, so it's not out of the woods yet. To this point, it's merely a retracement, and it is once again heading for an area of what will be now resistance. So, and it's just about there. So this week will be very interesting to see what gold does. But also, from a weekly perspective, let's go back to the index charts and show you that there's some indecision in this market, absolutely. And look at the Doji here on the Dow on the weekly. If you look at the S&P 500, there's also a Doji candle. And Nasdaq, another Doji, etc. Across the board, Dojis. And that, basically what it tells you is last week was a very indecisive week. Now, what does it really mean? Well, if we go back to the daily, what it means is we're simply in a period here of consolidation. Look at these past moves here. If you look at this area in here, when it was just gyrating back and forth, very indecisive. Then we broke down to we broke into a downtrend here, spent a month or so back consolidating, then we broke higher, then we consolidated, now we broke higher, and now we're back into a consolidation type mode. So when you see a lot of Doji candles, a lot of small range candles, look at all these Dojis, a lot of indecision throughout here. That just means you're in a period of consolidation, and what you've got to keep an eye out for is some type of signal that will give you a heads up as to which direction the next breakout will be in, okay? So now looking ahead this week, a lot of more news on tap here and some key events and numbers to look out for. Monday, we have the housing market index. Tuesday, consumer price index and housing starts. Wednesday, we have the MBA mortgage app numbers and the FOMC meeting. We'll see what they say this time around. Thursday, jobless claims and money supply, and Friday, the Baker Hughes rig count, which is another oil and gas supply measure that might, give us more indication about that price of oil. But oil, if we going back to that chart, and you look at this from consolidation to downtrend, consolidation, broke higher, consolidation. Now this broke down. I think this is merely just a retracement, like we have seen back here and here, etc. Just a retracement before a continuation of that move lower. But this week, will definitely be the key, and will tell us whether that is in fact the case or whether we are breaking out of this and moving back higher. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.